If you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to create a beginner-friendly budget in just 10 minutes, you are in the right place. Today, we're not talking about complicated spreadsheets, confusing financial terms, or those boring money lectures. I'm going to show you a simple budgeting method that even a complete beginner can set up before this video ends. By the end of this video, you'll be able to track your money, control your spending, and start saving without the stress. Yes, this video is exactly about building a budget quickly, something you can start using today, even if you've never budgeted before. You don't need any special apps or financial knowledge. Just grab a piece of paper or open your notes app and give me 10 minutes of your focus. And make sure you stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you a small budgeting trick that helped me save money without feeling broke. It's something most people have never been taught, and you'll thank yourself later for learning it. I personally used this simple method when I was struggling with my finances. Within the first month, I could finally see where all my money was going, and I stopped wasting cash on things I didn't even remember buying.
If it worked for me, it can definitely work for you.
Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever gotten paid, felt rich for 1 week, and then suddenly you're broke again and don't even know how it happened? That's what happens when we don't have a budget. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving your money a job so it goes exactly where you want it to. All right, let's start. Step 1. Write down your income. Take a moment and write down how much money you earn each month or each week. Don't use the real number. For example, your salary might be $400 and you make another $120 from a side hustle. That means your total income is $520. This is your foundation. You can't budget money you haven't counted. Step 2. List all your expenses. Now, write down everything you spend money on. Be honest with yourself, even the small things count. Create categories like food and groceries, transportation, your data or Wi-Fi plan, bills, school or work needs, entertainment, and savings. Yes, savings is an expense you pay to your future self. Most people forget to track their small expenses, and that's exactly where the money seems to disappear. Step 3 is where budgeting becomes really easy. Use the 5-0-3-0-2-0 rule. You're going to divide your income into 3 simple buckets. 50% goes towards your needs. These are the essentials like food, rent, and transport. 30% is for your wants, things like going to the movies, eating out, or shopping. And the last 20% is for savings or paying off debt. Now, even if you can't follow this rule perfectly at first, just start somewhere. If you can't save 20%, save 10. If you can't save 10, save 5. The key is to just start. Small growth is still growth. In just a moment, I'll share that trick to make saving money feel effortless. Step 4. Track your spending for 30 days. A budget is not something you write once and forget. At the end of each week, just glance at your list and ask yourself a few questions. Did I overspend anywhere? Which category can I reduce next week? What surprised me about my spending? The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. And finally, step 5, the simple saving trick I promised you. It's called pay yourself first. Before you spend a single dollar on anything else, bills, food, anything, put something aside for savings, even if it's a small amount. Treat your savings like a bill that you must pay every single month. You'll be shocked at how fast it grows when you make it your top priority. So that's how you create a beginner-friendly budget in under 10 minutes. List your income, list your expenses, apply the 5-0-3-0-2-0 rule, track it weekly, and always pay yourself first. If you found this helpful, give this video a like so more people can learn this too. Comment budget ready down below if you're starting your budget today. And don't forget to subscribe because in the next video, I'll show you how to make your budget even easier using a free app. Thanks for watching.